Oh, hello. I've been awaiting you. On day one, I said that we were going to talk about Async Svelte later this month, and it's time to resolve that promise. Oh dear, that was a bad pun. Historically in Svelte and every other framework, if a component depended on something asynchronous, there were two ways to deal with it. Number one, you could do the async work in the component, but that sucked because you have to manage all of the error states individually, and you can't realistically coordinate the work, which results in a really janky user experience. Or number two, you could do the async work outside the component and pass the resulting data in as a prop. If you've used SvelteKit, then you've seen this pattern with load functions. That solves the first set of problems, but it creates a bunch of new ones: prop drilling, a loss of portability, weirdness around types, and much less maintainable code. With Async Svelte, you can say bye 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 to all that. It has been a year in the making, and we're still ironing out the last few kinks, but you can use it today. And predictably enough, many of you are already using it in production. All you need to do is opt in via this experimental flag in your Svelte config. It's essentially a disclaimer that says, I release the Svelte team of any liability if my app blows up as a result. With that important caveat out of the way, let's take a look. The API is, well, there is no API. You just start using the await keyword inside your components. You can use it inside your script tag, like this component that shows a stream from the user's camera, or in a derived, like this component that fetches some data from over the network, or this component, which preloads the image before it gets rendered, so there's no layout shift when the image pops in. Although now that I think about it, maybe we should do that one automatically. What's cool about this is that everything is automatically coordinated. If a state change results in async work, then the change isn't visible until the work is ready. So if you have multiple components that independently fetch data, when you navigate, it'll result in a single seamless update. As you saw in Ken's video yesterday, you can use boundaries to control error and loading states. And if you have multiple awaits in the same template, Svelte will promise.all them so that they don't block each other. How? Because we're a compiler. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and help us get it stable for Svelte 6. See you next time.